Hey beauties, what's good? It's your girl Mecia, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 15 back to school hairstyles for knotless box braids. And yep, you guessed it, we're using nothing but headbands today. So let's go.
Écoute ça, papa. I be the son of the big boss. You know, got the rolling numbers. All your desire and all your thought. They wanna go, they meet favor. In this life, we go be. Enjoyment, you go meet. Happily, you go live. If your problem be money, distress, abundance in my corner, no less. Now you go travel first class. You gotta live with class. In this life we go be. Enjoyment you go meet. Happily you go live. Forever I promise. Baba isikati wayara, 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 wayara. Baba isikamba, mba, mba, mba. Baba isikati wayara, 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 wayara. Baba isikamba, mba, mba, mba. If your problem be money, distress, abundance in my corner, no less. Now you go travel first class. You gotta live with class. In this life we go be. Enjoyment you go meet. Happily you go live. Baba isikati wayara, 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 wayara. Baba isikamba, mba, mba, mba. Baba isikati wayara, 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 wayara. Baba isikamba, mba, mba, mba. Yeah. Écoute ça, papa. I be the son of the big boss. You know, got the rolling.
Alright beauties, those are all the hairstyles that I have for you today. Hopefully you'll find some inspiration to spice up your braids by adding this one accessories. Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below which hairstyle was your favorite. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Hey, really ain't no need for waiting. Every day feel like it's a celebration. Good times, good vibes, gotta turn it up. Tune in to Mecia.